Hello everybody, back again for another video, and today, because it is sunny outside and we're coming up to camper season, I have a brand new 2022 Dromore D43. Now, this is the Addict range. Last year it was a red Addict. This one is our white Addict. Come on inside and take a look. Now, it is lovely and spacious in here. This is your main lounge area here. Of course, the driver seat does swivel just like the passenger. Up in the cab here, you have your large Alpine multimedia system, your aircon, which I have on because it's pretty hot, USB 12 volt. Across to your steering wheel, of course, it is a multifunctional steering wheel, and there's Bluetooth connectivity as well. So this is your kitchen setup. You do have your large sink and your two gas hob just here. Then below that, your fridge with your freezer compartment just in the top. And then your combined oven and grill below. Now, there is tons of storage in this vehicle. They have just used every element that they can just to fill that area. To the other side of me here is the bathroom setup. So this is a combined wet room. Your shower head is attached to your sink. And then down the back leading to your first and second berth. Then the final stop is upstairs. I'll meet you up there. And here is your third and fourth berth. This large double bed that stretches the whole length of the van, and it's pretty spacious up here. I can sit up here comfortably and just look at that view. For you it could be fields, for me it's motorhomes. So there we have it, folks. That was our brand new Dromore D43 up. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle, please let me know. I have missed a lot. There is a TV point where you can tune in for a TV. There's USB points throughout the camper. If there's any other vehicles you'd like to know, please let me know. I have no problem showing you. You can contact me directly, marketing@thompsonleisure.com. You can give me a call, 028 9269 3999, or you can pop in and see me and I'll make time for you, and I'll see you in the next video.